show you how to use those different math methods. And so for this first one, we are actually retrieving two random numbers. And then we are passing them to math.max, which returns the highest number. And you can see it's returned a double value, and we're storing it in highest. And then we're just kind of printing out what the numbers are and what is the higher value. Here we are calling math.min, in which case it's going to return the lower value. And then we're just printing out that information. This third case, what we do, we're rounding. So here we've got a couple different numbers we retrieved. And I don't think we've called next.double yet for random numbers. So this is returning a number with a decimal place. And so what we're doing is we're basically rounding the number to the second decimal place, which is what math.round does. And for this one, we're using POW. So we are going to raise the first number to the second power, and we are raising that second number to the third power. So what follows the number is the power you are raising it to. And then in here, we are using math.div remainder. And you can see that you have to give it a value that it's going to divide by. So this is your dividend. The divisor is the number you are, dividing into it. And then it's going to output what the remainder is. Okay, and all this thing is doing is it's checking the remainder, because if there is no remainder, if it's 0, that means we had an even number because we're dividing it by 2. And so if it's not equal to 0, that means we have an odd number. Okay, and so I think these are really pretty self-explanatory. You can see that I put this in a menu. And the menu has them choose, if you want the max, the min. In fact, we can look and see, find the max, find the min, round a number, raise a number, see if a number is even, find the square root, okay, or quit. And so, based on what they pick, it's going to go into these different cases and then call the math method. And again, like all the other examples, you can copy and paste this and run it on your own, kind of to see how these work.